Hello, and you welcome us here with a very short video because it seems that a lot of people are curious about this whole RFID thing. Well, with us today are the folks from San Miguel Corporation, and with me here is Sir Darwin. Sir Darwin, kamusta po kayo?
Buti naman po. Yung kanilang form lang na pinilapan. And then aside from that, yung sasakyan na mismo. Walang requirements.
Saan mo makukuha yung form?
Dun sa personnel namin, pwedeng or mag-download sa sa website. Depende po sa klase ng tint. Yung kapag yung tint po ay yung sinasabing vehicle or specialized tint, hindi po talaga tayo nagkakabit diyan. Tinetest po natin yan kung talagang So, ang second option po namin sa headlight po. Yung kit po libre. Wala po. Maglo-load lang po tayo ang initial load is 200 pesos. Saglit lang po yan. In a matter of 3 minutes po, tapos na po yan. Magre-request lang po tayo sa customer service center namin for replacement.
Okay.
So, yun po, may bayad na po yun. 200 pesos for yung replacement. Ay, hindi sir. Non-transferable po yung usage ng RFID natin. Each car po, may kanya-kanyang RFID. Each car, may kanya-kanyang card na dun lang dapat gamitin. Meron tayong mga merchants po like GCash, Paymaya, Under Bayad Center, may 7-Eleven, may SM Bills Payment,
Okay po.
and online banking like we have in BOC
Okay po.
and BPI.
So, there you have it, folks. Installing an RFID is not as hard as you would think. So, I would recommend before the November 2 deadliest deadline and SMC Tollway's deadliest deadline of November 30, get those RFID stickers out now.